Welcome to our video on maintaining weight loss after a month of fasting. In this video, we will provide you with 10 tips to help you celebrate your success and continue your weight loss journey effectively. Let's get started. Taking the time to reflect on your achievements is important for maintaining weight loss after fasting. Celebrate your success by acknowledging how far you've come and the progress you've made. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goal. Setting realistic goals is essential for maintaining weight loss in the long term. Break down your overall weight loss target into smaller, achievable goals. This will help you stay motivated and prevent feeling overwhelmed. Having a support system is crucial for maintaining weight loss after fasting. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or join a group that shares similar health and fitness goals. They can provide encouragement, accountability, and valuable advice. Maintaining a balanced diet is key to sustaining weight loss. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods while limiting processed and sugary foods. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining weight loss. Find activities you enjoy, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or joining fitness classes. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Practicing mindful eating can prevent overeating and help you stay in control of your food choices. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This will help you maintain a healthy relationship with food. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and weight management. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit sugary beverages. Water helps regulate appetite and keeps your body functioning optimally. Getting enough sleep is important for weight maintenance. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can disrupt hunger and satiety hormones, leading to increased cravings and potential weight gain. Monitoring your progress is crucial for maintaining weight loss after fasting. Keep track of your food intake, exercise, and body measurements to identify any patterns or areas for improvement. This will help you stay accountable and make necessary adjustments. Lastly, celebrate non-scale victories to stay motivated and encouraged. Notice positive changes in your energy levels, clothing fit, mental well-being, and overall health. These victories are just as important as the numbers on the scale.